We'd like to thank INKBIRD and their new INT-11P-B BBQ Thermometer for sponsoring this video. I'm doing some camp today. We're going to smoke up some chicken, and I'm going to use this new INT-11P-B Bluetooth barbecue thermometer from INKBIRD. Now for this recipe today, did you know Snoop Dogg has a cookbook? So I've got that cookbook. He's got a recipe called Yardie Yardbird. Now, I didn't have everything that Snoop Dogg called for. I'm 15 miles from the closest town, so we got to make do with what we got. Now, this recipe is a Jamaican jerk kind of chicken. Let me take you back to yesterday when we made up this marinade. I've got 6 green onions, coarsely chopped, 3 habaneros, seeded, chopped, 6 teaspoons of minced garlic, teaspoon of allspice, teaspoon of black pepper. I know you can't see it because the fresh ginger is blocking it, but I've got a teaspoon of salt down here. This is about a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. And then finally, I can't remember if I mentioned, I got a teaspoon of pepper. If I didn't mention it, got a teaspoon of thyme. Now, I've got one of these little guys. It's going to be quite the challenge. In fact, I may not be able to get it all in here. If not, we'll grind it up into 2 batches. And it looks like we may get it in here. There's our garlic. We've got all the other goodies in. So far, so good. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. If you got fresh, that's even better. Now let's put in roughly 1/4 cup of olive oil and grind this up. All right, it looks pretty ground up, pretty mixed up, pretty blended up, whatever the word is. Now we're going to take this top off, and what I'm going to add in is about 2 tablespoons of honey. If you have molasses, it'll work great. Obviously, it'll provide a little sweetness, but it'll provide some stickiness. Now let me just finish getting this all blended up. I've got 6 chicken thighs here, and I'm just going to score them. Now, you don't have to do this, but the reason I like to score them is it lets that marinade work its way down on in the chicken a little bit more. And that there's more surface area, right? Because now the chicken can go down or the sauce can go down inside. And I would guess these are 3/4 to 1 inch, these scores in terms of distance apart, and maybe a 1/4 inch to a 1/3 inch deep. And here I've just got a gallon bag that we can seal up. I'm going to put these thighs in here. And that's pretty full with the 6. And then we'll just pour our marinade in. Right. Now if you had a spoon or something, you could obviously scrape that out. I don't have a spoon out here. I am going to work this marinade all in our chicken. You can see it's green from all those green onions we used. I'm sorry that's a little loud on this piece of stainless. And then once I get it good and covered up, I'm just going to come back, unzip it, and get most of the air out. And then we'll zip her back up. And now I'm going to move this into the fridge. We'll pick this video back up tomorrow. Hey, it's the next day, beautiful day here in Kentucky. Our chicken's all marinated. Let's get our smoker going. Now to keep an eye on this chicken today, I'm going to use this brand new number INT-11P-B INKBIRD Bluetooth thermometer. Look, this thing comes in a beautiful box. Be great for a gift. I'm just going to slide this box out. Now it's got another lid here. Comes off. It's packaged really nicely, I have to say that. This is a hard case for it. Right, and then underneath, like I've already opened this, it's got the instruction manual, charging cord, right? And then you just slide this guy open, hope you can see that all right, to get to the digital thermometer. So I've got the app here, I'm going to select the device. You see the internal temperature, the ambient temperature. Now, if you notice here, it says cooking is not set. We're going to click this little button here, and look, you've got all these options that you can choose from, right? We're cooking these chicken thighs. 165 is safe for chickens. Now, some people want to cook their dark meat a little longer. Now, here you can set an early reminder. So I'm going to just click that button, right? And then you can get a notice in advance of the 165, either 10 degrees before, 20 degrees, 30 or 40. So I'd like to know about 155. Complete, all right? And now we're all ready to enter our probe into the chicken and get going. Cooker is ready. What I'm going to do is I've got a couple of pieces of hickory. I want to do this quickly before this heats up. Before it gets going too much. Let's get our fire down in there, coals down in there, get our grate back on. Let me get this lid on so it doesn't get too hot. So our chicken's been marinating overnight. It's been about 16, 17 hours. Let's get it on the smoker. Now some people will drain off that extra marinade. I don't like to. Just flavor, 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 right? Get each piece on. That hickory is really starting to catch. Let's get our INKBIRD in here so we can monitor this temp. And get the lid on it. INKBIRD says the range on this thermometer is 300 feet. Now I'm not 300 feet. I'm about 175 or so. So I did want to show you it is reading just fine. You can see the internal temp of the chicken is 135. Our ambient, the smoker temp, 241. So, you know, you could be mowing your grass or, you know, doing something else, not have to be right there by the smoker. And this guy's still going to give you an accurate reading. So let's get back down there by our smoker and have a look at that chicken. Hey, our INKBIRD alarm just went off. Our temperature's at 165, just like we wanted. I'm going to get it off here. Now, for those of you who ask me regularly about how long does it take, look, I would encourage you to focus on getting a good thermometer and cook to specific temperatures versus focusing on how long does it take. Now, for those of you who do want to know the cook time, right, there's a chart in here. It plots it on the app. You can see exactly, you know, how long it took. I'm sure you probably can't see it, but there is a graph here. So for those of you that, you know, ask regularly how long does it take, how long does it take, you will be able to monitor that, you know, if you use this thermometer. Let's have a look. It's got that nice, beautiful golden color from that marinade. Let's get this chicken off here. Oh, it is juicy. Chicken's got beautiful color on it. Juicy, juicy. This is, like I say, that variation of Snoop Dogg's Yardie Yardbird. Let's give it a try. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Now, for those of you that don't like spicy, you know, I use 3 habaneros. I get a very, very mild habanero heat in the background, right? You could cut 1 out, you could cut 2 out. In no way is it spicy, in no way do I want something to drink. Just super, super juicy, delicious. Gotta give this a try.